Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver Dell Pro Max 14. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website. Okay, after that click on support and then click on driver download. So enter the model number, Dell Pro Max 14, and select your which is using system tag. Okay, so all the same. So this is two methods to install. First, automatic, which is totally automatic scan and require driver install automatically. And this is specific. So if you are facing some issue, specific driver like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LAN, sound, audio, so select the driver, and then click to categorize. Okay, so this is your laptop. Slow down, go to network and internet. You can see in the last network ethernet wireless. So this is the ethernet control, this is a LAN driver. Okay, so click to download. It is downloaded, and then just single click to open, then click yes. Now ethernet controller driver PCIe and continue. Now it is installing. You can see the successfully is driver installed, and then click to close. And if you want to see the logs, so you can check. Okay, and after that close it.